Welcome to this BoldDesk integration tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to install and configure BoldSign, Syncfusion's own e-document signing platform, with BoldDesk. The BoldSign integration lets support agents send legally binding documents for signing, track progress in real time, and manage everything without switching apps. Perfect for contracts, NDAs, or approvals within the customer conversation. For this demo, we'll install the app, configure it step by step, and then send and manage a sample document from a ticket. I will integrate BoldSign into my RiffWire electronics brand to get receipts signed by my customers within BoldDesk. To get started, log in to the BoldDesk agent portal as an administrator, navigate to the admin module, and then open the marketplace. Here, search for and click the BoldSign app integration page, and then click Install. You'll be redirected to the BoldSign login page. Enter your credentials and select Sign In. Verify your identity and click Verify to complete the installation. Next, you need to configure BoldDesk to access BoldSign resources. Click Allow to grant permission. You will be redirected to the configuration page. Here, you will find options to configure permissions based on roles. Select your target modules where you'll use BoldSign and click Save to complete the setup. Please note that BoldSign requires confirmation that you authorize BoldDesk to send documents on your behalf. This prevents unauthorized access and ensures that all document transactions are securely processed under your identity. To authorize document sending, open a ticket, navigate to the Apps section in the right sidebar, and select the BoldSign app. Click the Send for e-signature option to open a pop-up. Here, select the Send Verification Email option, which sends a confirmation email to your registered email address. Open that email, click the link inside, and then select Approve to authorize. Now BoldDesk can securely interact with your account. To send a receipt for signing, click Send for e-signature in the BoldSign section. In the Create Document window, add a clear title and then attach the receipt file. You can either upload a new one or select from the ticket attachments. Next, enter recipient details. Add the signer's name and email, include optional CCs, and click Next. On the Prepare Document page, confirm or adjust the signing order for multiple recipients, then hit Save and Proceed. Now, drag and drop fields like signature boxes, date stamps, or text input exactly where you need them, and customize fonts or styles as required. Once ready, click Send and confirm the action. The receipt launches immediately with the signing link added to the ticket notes. Tracking is effortless. In the Ticket's BoldSign section, you'll see live updates like the document ID, current status, sent date, and last activity timestamp. For deeper insights, click View Details to pull up the full audit trail, complete with timestamps for every view, sign, or decline. If a signer bails or needs changes, revoke it easily. Just click Revoke in the section, type the reason, confirm the action, and BoldSign notifies everyone while updating the ticket status. That's how easy it is to integrate BoldSign and manage e-signatures for a frictionless support experience. You can check our integration playlist in the card above, where you can find integrations with WhatsApp, Facebook, and many other social apps. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more BoldDesk tutorials. Thanks for watching.